In 3 minutes, you're going to have one of the sharpest looking knots around. Follow along, I'm going to show you how. No gimmicks, no nonsense. Just a simple, foolproof guide that'll have you walking out the door looking like a pro. Now this knot is quick and very easy to do. So buckle up, let's do this. Start by throwing the tie around your neck and turn it inside out. For this knot, the seam needs to be facing outwards. Now the wide end of your tie should hang down lower than the narrow end by about 2 feet or thereabouts. If you're tall, then you'll need to let it hang even lower. If you're not tall, just let it hang a bit higher. Don't overthink it. For most people, a little under 2 feet is the sweet spot. Cross both ends over to make an X. For this knot, the narrow end goes over the top. Now take the wide end. Bring it up like this. And thread it down through this gap in front of your collar button. Grab it from underneath and bring it all the way down. Next, take the wide end and wrap it around the front horizontally. Swap hands. Okay, the moment of glory is near. Take your forefinger and place it underneath like this. This will help make the finishing knot a lot easier to do, as you'll see at the very end. Take the wide end of the tie, thread it around the back and underneath. Bring it up through this gap in front of your collar button. And thread it all the way through. Now, this is the part where heroes are made. Thread the wide end down through this loop you've created with your forefinger. Hold the narrow end of the tie and slide the knot up. Now step back from the mirror and take in the masterpiece. Because you, my friend, have not only tied your own tie, you've absolutely nailed it.